Hey, Christy. Thank you for commenting. I really appreciated talking with you the other day. Um, Glad you like the plants. We got plenty more of them. Like I was saying with the giveaways, if you go to mygardeninghabit.com, uh, right on the front page, there's a little sign up for the newsletter. And once we've got you in there, we'll be doing some giveaways. Um, Not exactly sure how I'm going to work that out yet. Probably assign a number as people join the mailing list, and we'll run one of them little prize wheels or something. And yeah, we'll give some stuff away. Some cuttings, seeds, potted plants, stuff like that. Nice little succulent arrangements. We'll put some stuff together. As far as like bundles and stuff, I was more kind of, because I was just talking about, bundles of smaller plants. If I'm doing like a sale on something or whatever, maybe I'll be doing like 10 succulents for, I don't know, $4 or $5, something like that. A little bundle deal. Probably start doing some more little planters and stuff, but getting a little ahead of myself because, again, I'm trying to get rid of some of these. So, trying to get rid of a bunch. Need some room. But yeah, that's the game plan with that. So again, mygardeninghabit.com, right up there. Go check it out. The front page, it has a little first name, last name, email address, and you're signed up. And we'll start sending you some stuff. I'm sending you some emails and let you know, what we would need for sending you whatever it is, address, stuff like that. We'll at least be in contact. I'll have your email address. And again, it was great talking to you. So if you want to come back by, check out what we're doing, pick up some more stuff, just let me know. Take care.